Back in 2014, there was a coincidence where it was my first day at PwC. It was an induction, and that time the induction was in Bombay, and they had called all the new associates to the Bombay induction. And I met this one guy who was actually hired for the Pune branch. His name was Satyamedh, and we just exchanged numbers because we were both new. He was a CA, I was an ACCA, and that's it. We forgot about it. Fast forward a few years later, we were trying to expand Zell to Pune. And I remembered him, I reached out to him, he started teaching for the first time, and to his benefit, he really became a rock star, and today he's one of the most popular faculties that we have. Further, he shifted to EY, he did a couple of other stints, and today he runs the content, the academic team at Zell, one of the probably the most popular faculty that we've had in so many years. Hopefully, we'll do big things at Zell because of his involvement now in ACCA. He's studying for other qualifications like CMA, CPA, etc. So, if you're talking about a career which starts with the Big 4 but then can land in a startup, in a growing company, share it with your friends in finance who are not convinced about the scope of these qualifications.